Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to open Google Chrome browser using command prompt in distant PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to open Google Chrome browser using command prompt in distant PC or laptop, so very easy. First you click on start, right click on run, click on tab here CMD, click on OK, tab here start space Chrome, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open Google Chrome browser using command prompt in Windows 20 Select. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest updates.